Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need to know that iPhones don't natively support Miracast, so first get a Miracast-capable receiver or adapter and plug it into your TV. Once powered, put the receiver into pairing or Wi-Fi direct mode. Make sure your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi if the adapter uses the network. You're starting the process now. Open Settings to confirm iOS version and keep the TV input set to the adapter. This prepares both devices to discover each other. Install a reputable Miracast app from the App Store because iOS requires an app bridge to talk to Miracast devices. Once installed, grant the app screen recording and local network permissions, otherwise casting won't work. Then open the app, scan for the adapter or receiver, and select it. This triggers either a direct Wi-Fi direct handshake or a network session. Make sure the receiver shows a pairing code if needed, and enter it on the iPhone when prompted. So once connected, start casting through the app's Start Control or use screen recording to mirror both audio and video. You'll see your iPhone screen on the TV. If playback stutters, lower resolution or change latency settings in the app to improve smoothness. If something goes wrong, reboot the iPhone and receiver, verify both are on the same network or switch to Wi-Fi direct, and update firmware and the app. One key tip: toggling airplane mode, then restoring network often clears stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.